Hi, this is Rob from Love It Properties here with a new listing out in Wendell, North Carolina. This property is an amazing opportunity. Beautiful lot, has almost an acre of land and a beautiful back deck. Has a great backyard. It's going to be really nice for these summer months coming up. Great outdoor space for you to relax. But not only is the property great, the house itself is beautiful. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and if you're looking for a little bit of that extra space, it has a finished bonus room on the 2nd floor. You're going to want to check this one out. It goes active on June 3rd with showings starting later that weekend. I'm also going to be hosting some open houses that weekend, so if you want to come check it out and have questions for me, come on by. Have a fantastic day, and I hope to see you soon.